Welcome to the A for Confidence series, Awareness, Acceptance, Authenticity, and Action. Hi, I'm Eija, and this series is especially for men and women over 50 who are ready to rebuild their confidence, open their heart, and create a life and love that truly fits. Each week, we go deep, we tell the truth, and we do the real work. No sugarcoating, just loving guidance, practical steps, and the inspiration you need to move forward. In the description box below is the link to a workbook you can download so you don't have to worry about taking notes. So take a breath, open your heart just a little, and let's begin today's transformation. We have discussed awareness and acceptance, and today it's authenticity. You have to decide how you show up. Authenticity is not about being perfect. It's about being real. It's the moment you stop performing for love and start inviting it. Because the right people don't fall in love with your mask. They fall in love with your truth. Authenticity is when your inside matches your outside. No pretending, no shrinking, no twisting yourself in the shape that keeps everyone else comfortable except you. It's when you decide, I'm going to show up as me fully. That doesn't mean work is done, but you evolve and learn from an honest place. That's the foundation of confidence. And it's the beginning of love that lasts. Most people don't fake who they are because they want to lie. They do it because at some point in the past, they learned that the truth didn't feel safe. Maybe being too joyful got you judged. Maybe being too emotional got you dismissed. Maybe being too honest made someone walk away. So you learn to tuck parts of yourself away. But here's the truth. Your light didn't disappear. You just dimmed it. When you hide who you are, you pay a price. You attract the wrong partners. You feel disconnected even in relationships. You lose energy trying to maintain a version of you that it's not true. You feel unseen because you're not allowing yourself to be seen. Authenticity is not about honesty. It's about alignment with your own soul. Here's the loving truth with some firmness. People cannot love you deeply if they never get to meet the real you. And the right people, they don't want perfect. They want present. They want warm. They want human. The moment you stop hiding, you become someone unforgettable. My own authenticity moment was when I finally stopped shrinking. I stopped making myself small to keep peace. I stopped apologizing for my needs. I stopped twisting myself around to be easy or convenient. I decided to be a woman with a bright inner light and to let it shine. And it meant that I knew that love I desired was possible even when there was no evidence of that in that moment or many months following. Someone asked me a while ago, how can I be so sure that I'll meet my person? And I answered, I just know. I didn't know when it would happen or how, but I knew it would. Did I sometimes feel frustrated with the days that didn't go anywhere? Sure. Or questioning sometimes, what if what I wanted was too much? But those thoughts did not have a chance to survive because my belief was so clear and so strong. If you want to find your authentic self, start here. Where do you hide the most? What part of you do you apologize for? Who are you when no one is watching? What do you want so badly that you pretend you don't care? What masks are you tired of holding up? Your answers will show you exactly where your real self is waiting. There is nothing more liberating than living as yourself. You breathe easier, you trust yourself more, you attract relationships that match who you really are, not who you pretend to be. Authenticity feels like finally coming home. Authenticity is bold, it's joyful, it's vulnerable, it's powerful. When you choose to be real, you stop chasing love and start receiving it. That's the version of you love is waiting for. Thank you for being here and doing this work. It matters more than you know. Change doesn't happen all at once. It happens step by step. One shift, one moment of honesty, one brave action of time. If today's episode spoke to you, let me know in the comments. Your experiences help someone else to feel less alone. If you're ready to take this deeper, subscribe so you don't miss the next part of the A for Confidence series. Remember, you are not too old, too late, or too broken. You are becoming. I'm right here with you every step of the way. I'll see you next week. Be the catalyst of your change. Love and light. Bye.